Good afternoon, my YouTube viewers. In this video, what we're going to talk about is the confidence levels of salaries for a company. So basically, you are analyzing the salaries of employees in a company. You have a sample of 25 salaries with a mean of $60,000 and a sample standard deviation of $5,000. Calculate the 95% confidence interval for the population mean salary. Since the population and standard deviation are unknown, the t-distribution is used. So again, we're going to be using the t-distribution for this. So your sample mean is 60,000. Your sample standard deviation is 5,000. Your sample size is 25. Your confidence level is 95%. Your degree of freedom is 25 minus 1, being 24. Your standard error is sample standard deviation divided by the square root of 25. So that's going to be 1,000. That's your standard error is 1,000. Your critical t-value is t.inv.2t. That indicates that you're using a t-distribution, and it's going to be a 212 by 1 minus B10, 1 minus 95%, comma, B11 being degree of freedom, and that's 2.06. Your margin of error is B12 standard error times B13 critical value as 2063.899. So your lower bound is your mean minus your margin of error. So that's B7 minus B14. That's 57936.1. And your upper bound is B7 plus B14. So that's 60,000 plus 2063.899. So that's 62063.9. And so that's your lower bound and your upper bound for your confidence interval. And so what we've done is we've created a chart that enables you to see what the confidence interval looks like on a normal distribution. We're not able to use a t-distribution for this. We have to use a normal distribution. So we've got 1,500 and 1,000 point increments to 100,000, 15,000 to 100,000. And then the formula that we use to create the distribution is norm.dist brackets D7, that's your value, comma, B7, that's your sample mean, comma, B8, that's your sample standard deviation, and false means it's a PDF, probability distribution function. And so what we've done is we've created a chart so you can see what it looks like on the chart, so you can see the lower bound and the upper bound of the confidence interval. And that concludes this video. So the next video we're going to be talking about hypothesis test, I believe. So I hope that you decide to watch it.